Namaste to all. Here I am with a new video relating to cost accounting, and in this video we are going to discuss the one of the important question. This is in your textbook RP Trivedi question number 13, and this question has been asked previously in Osmania University. Okay, उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी ने ये क्वेश्चन इससे पहले नवंबर दिसंबर 2018 में पूछा. दिस इज द एग्जाम previous exam question. So let us discuss this question. The accounts of manufacturing company shows the following details for the year ended 2006. Material used 6 lakhs, productive wages, that is your direct wages or direct labor we can say, 5 lakhs. Works overhead expenditure 1 lakh, this will comes under factory overheads. And establishment and general expenses, that is nothing but your office and administration overheads, that will be 60,000 they are saying. These are the expenses directly given to us. This is a question of quotation or tender type. So first he will give some information relating to previous year or previous period, and he will ask for us to prepare for the next quotation or estimation or tender. So prepare a statement showing works cost, total cost, percentage of works overhead expenditure to productive wages, percentage of works overheads to productive wages, that means how much is the productive wages percentage on works overheads. So for that purpose, works overhead percentage, we will use formula. Works overheads divided by productive wages into 100, you will get percentage. And one more thing he is asking, percentage of establishment and general expenses to works cost, that will be done with another formula, that will be establishment and general expenses divided by works cost into 100. If you do, you will get that percentage, and these two percentages will be used while making our estimation or tender or quotation. These 4 points we need to do. Additionally, what price should company quote on the basis of the above information to manufacture a machine which would require material 6,000 and wages 3,000, so that price will yield a profit of 25% on selling price. Please remember this point. वो लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं, आपको एक एस्टिमेशन भिजाओ, एक मशीन आपको क्या करना है, मैन्युफैक्चर करना है, जिसके लिए मटेरियल 6,000 होगा और 3,000 रुपीज़ विल बी योर वेजेस. मटेरियल और वेजेस का एक्सपेंसेस बोले, बाकी जो भी ओवरहेड्स है, वर्क्स ओवरहेड्स एंड एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ओवरहेड्स, वी नीड टू यूज दिस परसेंटेजेस. एंड इज सेइंग व्हाट शुड बी द सेलिंग प्राइस. सेलिंग प्राइस क्या होनी चाहिए अगर सेलिंग प्राइस के ऊपर 25% आपको प्रॉफिट लेना है. మనం ప్రాఫిట్ ఎర్న్ చేయాలి 25% ఆన్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్. సో వాట్ షుడ్ బి ది వాల్యూ ఆర్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ ది మేకింగ్ దిస్ machine, that is what the question. So first we need to prepare a work cost sheet to know total works cost and total cost. Then we need to calculate these two percentages. Later on we need to prepare a quotation or tender. So it is a lengthy problem, no doubt, but for that we need to do step by step, one by one answer. So let us prepare the answer. So here I am making you how to prepare the answer. See here, we are having हाँ, दिस इज योर लेटेस्ट वीडियो। आज ही बनाया मैंने, बना रहा हूँ अभी आपके लिए। ओके, सो you can see it on this screen. Okay, now statement showing cost sheet or cost sheet of a manufacturing company for the year 2006. यूनिट्स मैन्युफैक्चर्ड एंड प्रोड्यूस्ड, नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स अपने को नहीं पता है तो हमने नहीं लिखे। डायरेक्ट मटेरियल यूज्ड, ओके, मटेरियल यूज 6 lakhs they said, and direct labor, that is productive wages, 5 lakhs. So total it is how much? 5 lakhs. This productive wages, direct material and productive wages together, there are no direct expenses. Prime cost will be A plus B plus C. This तीनों मिला के 5 plus 5 lakhs plus 6 lakhs, it will be 11 lakhs. You can see here 11 lakhs prime cost. Okay, so prime cost 11 lakhs to this. Okay, to the prime cost we need to add factory overheads. So add factory overheads, ट्रेन चले गया तो we will continue. So add factory overheads are production, manufacturing or works overheads. They gave works overhead expenses 1 lakh rupees, so I have taken 1 lakh. So 11 lakhs plus 1 lakhs, total works cost or factory cost will be 12 lakhs. Add administration office administrative overheads. Okay, establishment and general expenses given in the question 60,000. So there is no finished goods of opening closing, so directly we will get cost of sales or total cost, as there is no selling and distribution overheads also. So our total cost is 12 lakh 60,000. So primarily we made this much. ओके, फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स ऐड करें तो वर्क्स कास्ट आ गया, उसको जनरल ऑफिस एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एक्सपेंसेस ऐड करें तो टोटल कास्ट आ गया. दिस इज व्हाट आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन एज ए पॉइंट एंड बी पॉइंट. these two have been completed. Next, C point they said calculate the percentage of works overhead expenditure to productive wages. So let us do that one now. Let us do that one now. Okay, here we are having zoom percentage of, okay, see here, percentage of works expenditure to productive wages. So works expenditure percentage is equals to works expenditure divided by productive wages into 100. Works expenditure given in the question 1 lakh and productive wages 5 lakhs. So 1 lakh divided by 5 lakhs into 100, you will get as 20%. This is what our answer for the C point, percentage. Then percentage of establishment general expenditure to works cost. Okay, we got works cost as 12 lakhs in the previous statement, so that will be taken here. So establishment and general expenditure percentage is equals to establishment and general expenses divided by works cost into 100. Sir, how you got works cost? In earlier statement we prepared works cost, okay, by adding prime cost to our works expenditure. Okay, establishment general expenses are 60,000 divided by 12 lakhs into 100, you will get 5% as establishment and general expenses. This 20% and 5% will be used while preparing our quotation or tender or estimation. So while preparing the estimation or tender, to quote the price we will use this one. Okay, so hope you have understood till here. Let us see the remaining answer now here on. Statement showing quotation or tender, okay, to earn a profit of, statement showing quotation or tender to earn a profit of 25% on selling price. Particulars amount, okay, there is no number of units, so per unit column is not required. Direct material 6,000 rupees, direct labor, that is productive wages 3,000 they said in the question, and there is no direct expenses. So together, this together will be 9,000, that will be our prime cost. Okay, 6,000 plus 9,000. Till here no doubt I think. Till here no doubt I think. So we will get prime cost as 9,000. Okay, to that we need to add factory overheads. So factory overheads are production or manufacturing or works overheads. Works overhead expenditure, they said 20% of productive wages. Sir, this 20% just now we have calculated na previously. So आपका productive wages कितना है, మనకు productive wages ఎంత ఇచ్చిరు. To make this machine we require 3,000 rupees. To make this machine we require 3,000 rupees, and 20% previously we have calculated percentages. So 3,000 into 20%, this 600 you will get as works expenditure. To prime cost, if you add 600, works cost or factory cost D plus E will be 9,600 rupees. To this we need to add office and administrative overheads. Establishment and general expenses should be calculated 5%. Sir, this 5% we have calculated earlier, and this is your works cost. So works cost 9,600 into 5%, it will be 480 rupees. So we will take 480 and we will add. So cost of sales or total cost, cost of sales or total cost is 10,080 rupees. 10,080 rupees. Sir, how you got 10,080? See, 9,600 plus this 480 together 10,800. 10,800. Hope you have understood till here. And later on in the question they said we should earn 25% on selling price. On selling price 25% as profit we need to get. Profit कितना बोले तो क्या बोले उन्होंने 25%. So this is your total cost, this will be selling price, this will be selling price. Okay, this will be selling price for your convenience purpose. So see this one, see they said selling price. Okay, selling price how much we don't know, but on selling price 25% should be profit. So profit 25 on selling price, when on they said that on will be 100, this will be 100 and profit will be 25. So cost will be selling price minus profit will be your cost. So 100 में से ये 25 निकाल दिए तो 75% will be your total cost. ये 75% के लिए कितना है 10,080 rupees. Okay, for I repeat, for 75% total cost is equals to 10,080 rupees. So profit 25% is equals to how much, ये कितना होता, ये अपना क्वेश्चन है. तो to get profit 10,000, this is your 10,000 80 rupees into 25 profit divided by cost 75, you will get profit as 3360 rupees. You can calculate with your calculator. आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते कैलकुलेटर लेके. सो दिस विल बी योर आंसर 3360 as profit. If you add profit to the cost 10,080 rupees, this 3,360 selling price 100% will be 13,440. 13,440. That's it. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में यही एक छोटा सा ट्विस्ट है. ओके, दैट he didn't give selling price. We need to calculate selling price, but we know cost and we know percentage of profit on selling price. On selling price means selling price will be 100, profit is 25, remaining 75 is your cost. You know cost as percentage as well as amount. So 75 के लिए for 75% it is equals to 10,080. For 25% profit is equals to how much is the question. So to get that one, what we need to do? We need to do cross multiplication. 10,080 into how much we got? Profit 25, cost 75. You will get profit 3,360. That's it. This will be added to the selling price. So selling price to be quoted to manufacture the machine is 13,440. This is the answer. Hope you have understood. I am ending the video here. Okay, मैंने मैक्सिमम ख़त्म कर दिए 15-20 मिनट में पूरा आपका आंसर. सो दिस इज़ प्रीवियसली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन इन द एग्ज़ाम. सर टेंडर कोटेशन के क्वेश्चंस आते क्या? बोले तो आते हैं, तो प्रिपेयर हो जाओ एग्ज़ाम के लिए. दैट्स इट, एंड शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. ओके, क्योंकि शेयरिंग इज़ केयरिंग. एंड prepare well. Whatever completed, just prepare in these holidays those things. Remaining we will do after the holidays. And सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. सीखते रहो जीतने के लिए. जय हिंद. हाँ, one more thing, sorry to tell you, the answer relating to this video and other related information you can find in the description. अगर आंसर समझ में आया तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. बाय बाय, जय हिंद.